Life begins at 40, they say, but for many men, turning 40 can feel like the sun setting at noon. As you reach 44, you might notice a decline in vitality, energy, and overall well-being. This is the time when a man's vital functions, particularly those governed by the kidneys, start to wane. Hormone levels drop, immunity weakens, and the body begins to show signs of aging. You might feel like you're losing the battle against time, with symptoms like reduced stamina, lower sex drive, and general fatigue becoming all too familiar. According to the renowned theory of expenditure, a man's bodily functions peak at 44, then gradually decline. By this age, testosterone production drops to 65.7% of its youthful levels, significantly impacting physical and sexual health. The turning point for men's health. Statistics show that by 44, 35% of men experience some degree of sexual dysfunction, with 15% entering a noticeable early aging phase. Over 40% will experience male menopause symptoms for at least 3 months. This period, from 35 to 54, is critical for disease prevention and longevity. While many men resort to hormone supplements, these can have adverse effects. Instead, consider a holistic, natural solution. Vitroman Maca Extract is a pure natural supplement designed to restore and enhance your vitality, energy, and spirit. Infused with potent maca essence, along with tongkat ali and epimedium, this formula is gentle yet effective, offering comprehensive support for men's health. Why choose Vitroman Maca Extract? Because Vitroman Maca Extract is designed to boost stamina and endurance, enhance your aerobic capacity, energy levels, and overall vitality. Support immune function. With antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immune-boosting properties, it helps prevent infections like colds and flu. Promote sexual health, improve erectile function, increase libido, and enhance reproductive health. Fight aging. Delay the onset of age-related symptoms and maintain a youthful vigor. The power of maca, a cruciferous plant native to the high altitudes of the Peruvian Andes, thrives in harsh conditions, resulting in a nutrient-rich profile. Known as Peruvian ginseng and a natural vitality superfood, maca is celebrated for its health benefits. It's packed with unique compounds like macamides and maquines, which stimulate hormone production and balance endocrine functions. In addition to maca, Vitroman Maca Extract includes tongkat ali, scientifically known as Eurocoma longifolia, is a flowering plant native to Southeast Asia, particularly Malaysia and Indonesia. For centuries, it has been prized for its ability to enhance testosterone levels, boost energy, and improve overall male sexual health. And the key benefits of epimedium is a libido enhancement. Epimedium is renowned for its aphrodisiac properties, helping to increase sexual desire and performance in both men and women. It supports healthy blood flow to the genital area, aiding in achieving and maintaining erections. Is also valued for its ability to increase overall energy levels and combat fatigue, making it beneficial for those looking to enhance their physical endurance and stamina. Rediscover your confidence and vitality now. Don't let stress and fatigue hold you back. Vitroman Maca Extract is a 100% natural, powerful supplement that enhances vitality, stamina, and overall well-being. Feel more confident, improve your relationships, and enjoy a higher quality of life. Choose Vitroman Maca Extract today and reclaim your strength, confidence, and vitality. Vitroman Maca Extract is easy to take and available at pharmacies and traditional medicine stores across Singapore. For inquiries, call 6562-5526. 6562-5526.